Hello?
Hi, may I speak to Janessa, please?
Speaking.
Can you complete this next sentence? It's all good at...
Applewood?
It is all good. Do you know why I'm calling?
Are you serious right now? Like, do I even need to say this? I'm gonna cry.
Well, don't cry. We don't want you to cry. We want you to be happy.
I am.
If I were you, I'd be happy I won $1,000. I don't think I'd cry.
Oh my God.
Hi there, I'm Janessa. I'm from Maple Ridge, and I'm the 13th winner this month for the 31 days of giveaways. Just had a leak in our basement and had to throw out a bunch of my stuff and my kids' stuff, so I'm going to use it to replace everything that got destroyed. Happened like 2 days before you guys called and said we won, so I was like in tears, just shaking. I was so excited because my kids are all bummed out that all their stuff got wrecked. They had some toys down there, you know, we store toys back and forth, and a couple bags of like outdoor clothes, so like our winter stuff, and so this came at the perfect time for us. Thank you again, and it's all good at Applewood.
It's all good at Applewood.